Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Formula Drift in Jersey. I'm super excited for today. I'm just gonna show you guys the cars and mostly the drifting. Drifting is much better. The car show's not today. Not able to make it. But yeah, I'll see what I can get you guys. But today is gonna be absolutely sick. So stay tuned. Make sure before we start, like, subscribe, and share this to a friend. Let's get into it. This car might be familiar to some of you. Adam LZ's rotary Supra. This is also super sick. This is Colette Davis's C6. This is the one that actually caught on fire. This thing is so nice. That is so sick. All of the RTR cars, you have the other one over there, other one over there. These are so sick. Wow. This thing looks nuts. This thing just looks super angry. And it's got the screamer pipe. And here is the VR38 four-door drift car. This is Chris Warburg's car. This is a VR38 FRS, bro. What the heck? It's literally a GTR motor in an FRS.
Jade is a 15-year-old phenom, second ever Hoover mimicking Jay. Look at how deep he is and moving. That gives a good opportunity.
So I don't know if you guys saw it, but the guy driving the Corvette is actually 15 years old. That is insane. This has to be the most menacing face besides the RTR car. This has to be one of the most menacing faces at Formula Drift.
Now into that final outside zone. Oh no! Oh boy. That inside flip, like I said, he's got a lot of
Thank you guys so much for watching. It's kind of dark out right now. But make sure to like and subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.